Hello, I am Vijay Shankar from Young India Films. We are the innovative presentation and training equipment providers for the past 46 years. And today, we have more than 25,000 satisfied customers across India. Now I am going to demonstrate the latest interactive board called Clarity MI board. It is being used by many customers across the world. In this Clarity MI board, you can convert any surface into interactive. See, normally you must be knowing about the traditional board. So traditional interactive board, you have to use a particular board. And if the board gets damaged, we cannot use it. Whereas this is very portable and it's the latest equipment. Now I am going to show you how it works. This is the Clarity MI board device, where you can fix it to any board, any ordinary white board or a black board or a green board or a wall. So this we can fix it there. And this comes with a cable. This cable we can connect it with the transmitter. And there is one more cable from the transmitter to the USB of the system. Now I am going to show how to connect it. It's very easy and it's very simple. So the installation is very easy. See, this is an ordinary white board. This is the Clarity MI board device. Its installation is very simple. We can fix this device in the corner of a board. This is an ordinary white board. So once if you fix this, and this cable has to be connected to this box. From here, there is a USB cable which can be connected to the system, electronic pen. And this is an ordinary battery, 1.5 volt battery. Now it's ready to use. The first time we have to open a software, because each and every time the projection size will vary. So according to this distance, we have to convert this area into interactive. It is very simple and it's very user friendly. Now I have loaded the CD. The CD comes with the system, Clarity MI board. It's a software which is already loaded in my system. Can you see this? This is a MI board driver software. This one. This is to find out what are the area you are going to calibrate. And this is the software. After installing, calibrating the MI board, we can open the software. Now I'll just show you, it's very easy. So once if you open a software, MI board driver, you can see an icon here. If you go this MI board icon, you can see calibrate, disconnect, calibrate, exit. We have to select this calibrate. Once if you select it, you will get a red color mark like this. So calibration is very simple. Just touch this area first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is called 9-point calibration. So this area from here to this end, this projection area is already calibrated. With the help of this electronic pen, you can control the entire computer from here. After the calibration, we have to open a software, Clarity MI board software. Just double click it. So the software is open now. This is a whiteboard. And actually in this software, see, if you go to the start button here, you can see there are a lot of file, print preview, lot of this thing comes here. You can see the tools, switch user. The switch user is a very important. It have 4 levels: beginner, intermediate, advanced and temporary. So let's take the advanced user. So now you can see the toolbar here. So in this toolbar, you have everything here. It is very user friendly. It's very, very easy to operate. I'll just show you one by one how it works. Can you see here this toolbar menu? If you keep it here, this is called switch mode. It will written here, switch mode. Switch mode is from whiteboard mode to the computer mode. When you press this, see, now it goes to the computer mode. So once if you come to the computer mode, you can open any presentation from here. Okay, any PowerPoint presentation you can open. If you want to go to the next slide, just touch this, go to the next slide, go to the next slide, let's go to the next slide. So while giving a presentation, suppose if you want to highlight something, normally we'll have a whiteboard next to this. Here you have an option. If you go to the annotation mode, see, it is called screen annotation. If you press this, you'll get the toolbar again. This is called a laser pen. So laser pen, actually it will blink. See, market leaders in education technology solutions. I'll just mark this. So it will blink. So this is called a laser pen. Like this, you have a brush pen. Brush pen is, suppose if you want to write something, you can write. So there are different pens are available, options are there. You can increase or decrease the thickness of the pen, or if you want to change the pen color to the black, and you can write whatever you want to write. So, and you have an eraser here. So different type of eraser. Pixel eraser, clear all, region eraser. So we can select. Region eraser is nothing but, suppose if you want to erase this complete area once, select this, that entire this thing can be erased. And clear all means we can clear all the complete page. Pixel eraser, if you select this, suppose if you want to erase only this particular area. Okay, you can erase this. And the one more eraser, clear all. If you press this, the entire page will be cleared. So while giving a presentation, suppose if you want to have a whiteboard, normally what will happen, you will keep a whiteboard the other side. With the touch of this switch mode, if you press this, you have to add this, it's a new slide, it comes a whiteboard. So, and you can write, you can select the pen, you can select the color from here. Okay. And you can select the thickness. And so this is page number 3. If you want to go to the page number 4, select this, add news page, and go to the page number 4. So like this you can go to n number of pages. Okay. Now I'll just come one by one. So we have seen this, adding the page. This is deleting the page. See, now the page number 4, if I want to delete, if you press this, page number 4 is deleted, and you can see only page number 3 here. Okay. And if you want to go to the previous page, if you press this, it will go to the previous page, previous slide, and if you press this, it will go to the next. And I am adding one more page now. So whatever you write, see, you have option of zoom out. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. And the next option is zoom in. Zoom in, just press this, you can make it bigger. You can zoom it out. And you can bring it to the normal size. Then go to the new page again. Now, you have option of a shape pen. The shape pen is this. It is called an intelligent pen. See, normally if you want to draw a picture, if you want to draw a circle, normally it will not come exact circle. So here, you draw a circle like this, it will become an exact perfect circle. Suppose if you want to draw a square, it will become an exact square. Okay, if you want to draw an oval shape, it will become an exact shape. So this is the use of the intelligent pen, or you can call it as a shape pen. Okay, now I am again adding to the new page. Okay, so you can see this option. If you select this, it's called a regional shelter. It is nothing but, suppose if you want to hide something in the board, you have an option. Wherever you want to hide, you can hide it. So suppose after this, if you want to take it here, you can show this. Again, if you want, you can hide this one, you can hide. Actually, this can be, if you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger, or if you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. Okay, now I'll go to the new page again. That's a slider. And we have an option here. It is called, you can run a video in this board. If you have any video program, you can run it here. I'll just show you. I'll open any video. Okay. I'll just open it. If I want to bring it here, you have option, and if you play, so the picture, video, whatever video you have in your system, you can bring it down here, and whenever you want to stop, you can stop it, you can delete. And you have an option of inbuilt picture dictionary. See, this is a very, very important option. See, for example, you have a lot of picture dictionary inbuilt. You can add n number of pictures into this. For example, if you take a medical for this one, okay, just select any picture, you can draw. So normally, while if you want to draw a picture, it will take a lot of time. So all these pictures, you can save it in the inbuilt picture dictionary, and whenever you require, you bring it outside, and whatever you want to write, you can write it. This is the head, this is ankle, so you can discuss it. And you have an option of this. I'll just show you. take the picture library again. I'll just take any human body. Okay, and you have an option in the board. If you go to the tools, you have a spotlight option. Okay, so suppose if you want to show only this particular area, you can show. This is a spotlight option, so you can bring it down wherever you want. Suppose if you want to show only this particular area, you can show it. This is the spotlight option. Then I'll show you again, going to a new page. And this is a web link. See, normally suppose if you want to go to the internet, you have to type it. Here you can save whatever actually you want. For example, here you can see the option where what you want to page display. Suppose if you put the www.google.com here, say OK, right? Yes. We have a Google, double click it, it will go to the Google website. So the internet web connection is already here. You can go to the Google website. Now, again I'll go to the new page. And this we have seen, all these pictures. And this is a very important option. It's called a grabber. Grabber is nothing but actually you can record the video and the audio, whatever you are doing here, and it can be saved in the system. See, this will be useful. Suppose some students are absent. So next day they want to see what has happened the previous day. So they had just run it from the system, then they can see. I'll just show you how it works. For example, I'll just take this. You can see the record. Okay. Press this record option. Now the record option started already. Go to the new page. Add. Select any pen. Select any color. Right. This is page number 10. Add one more page. So page number 11. From here, I am going back to the system mode. Here again you have all the items. I can close this website. Okay. This is about our company. Press this. Go to the next slide. Sound reinforcement system, interactive learning, presentation solutions. This is the next slide. From here again I am going back to the whiteboard mode. So whatever we are doing here, it will be saved on the system. I'll just show you how it works. This is just a sample. Okay, now I'm just stopping the recording. So whatever we have done in this 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you can replay it. See, can you hear the sound? Okay, so you have seen all these options and all the pages are here. You can, suppose if you want to page number 2, just press this, you can get the page number 2 here. If you want to page number 4, page number 4, all the pages are here. So, and this page, if you want, cut and paste it in the other page. Everything is possible in this. And you have an option of printing. You can straight away take a print from here. If you connect it to the printer, you can take a print. And if you have a print preview, you can select whichever page you want to print. You just select it, you can take a print out. So this is a print option. And this is, if you want to change the background, you can change. And okay, you say cancel, you can cancel it. And suppose if you want the grid, you want the line, horizontal line for writing, you can do that also. Go to a new page. You can take horizontal line, so line by line it will come. So the background can be changed into n number of pages. If you want vertical line, you can have a vertical line. Okay. Letter pad, everything is there. If you don't want anything, then it will become a whiteboard. So this is the main option of this whiteboard. It's very easy. It's portable. You can just remove this and paste it anywhere other room, and easily you can fix it any other places. Now again, if you go to the switch mode, you are here on this mode. So it's very easy, it's very user friendly, and teacher can actually, about half an hour training is enough, and they can start working on this. So if you have any other questions, please ask us. So it's very good for teaching purpose. Any other questions, please? Thank you.